Good evening from Grand Valley Farm. It's December 28th, 2024, and it's about 4:45. We had a lot of blue in the sky today, and it was still cloudy, but it was actually nice. It was pretty bright. Some of the mud kind of is disappearing. Well, at least the water was standing on it. So yeah, sunshine and evaporation, that's a good thing. Of course, it really wasn't too warm today. Well, there's always tomorrow, hopefully. So I go get the parts truck, hopefully tomorrow, with the trailer, and I think Doc's gonna pull it with his Dodge truck, so I don't have to drive the 1-ton with a 460 and go broke trying to get out of the truck. Anyway, overall it's been a good day. Yeah, I still can't wait for spring.